Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today guys, I'm bringing you a number of websites that you can learn cake decoration for free. And I'm going to be telling you guys the reason why you need websites and not just learn on YouTube. Okay, so if you're trying to learn cake decoration for free, maybe you're trying to start a business or you just like to decorate cakes and like cake classes are too expensive maybe for you to pay for and stuff, and when you watch YouTube you don't know where to start from, today I'm gonna help you. Yeah, so you're welcome. But before we get started, please make sure you subscribe to this channel. Please click on the subscribe button and please give me a thumbs up on this video. I'd really appreciate it. Okay guys, the reason why it's more difficult to learn cake decoration on YouTube, especially if you're a complete novice, is that most of the classes are scattered. Yeah, there are a lot of tutorials on YouTube that you can learn from, but most of them are scattered and they are not arranged according to complexity compared to if you like go to an actual cake school or somebody who wants to teach you how to make cakes. Do you understand? And also you can learn on social media as well. You can learn on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter, or on WhatsApp. You know, there are different cake decorators that offer cake classes, and those are usually a lot more expensive than if you go to a website here. So coming from someone who's experienced, like you guys know, I learned cake decoration. I learned cake decoration on the internet. So today I'm going to be helping you with some of the best websites out there that are free that you can learn some things from, and it's going to be really good for you as a beginner. Okay, so today I'm going to be telling you at first the benefits there are to learning from a website, like as opposed to learning on YouTube, because like I said initially, like it is very good for beginners because like you have no idea what you even want to learn. So what do you type to search on YouTube, and it is very convenient, and like the studies are based on complexity, and basically you get a certification at the end of the classes and everything. So like it's in your best interest to learn on a free website, and there are lots of websites out there. So this is what this video is for, and I'm going to bring you guys 6 different websites that you can learn from. The first one is Skillshare. Skillshare is awesome and it is free. I think there are some parts that are not free, but for the most part of it, it is free, and you can learn so much. There are different cake decorating classes. There are also different kinds of classes there, but like today we are focusing on cake decorating because, you know, that's what we do on this channel. So on Skillshare, especially for beginner, they have a beginner's guide to the art of baking, and it is awesome. Like even if you are a novice and you know nothing about cakes, you can do and undo with that class. So you be sure to check it out. I'm going to put some of these links in the description box for you guys to check out. Okay, so number 2, we are talking about Udemy. Yes, it is like a website. I think it's okay, I'm not sure. Some of it are paid for. Most of these websites, some of it are paid for, but they have like free tutorials that you can get to, and these tutorials are usually tailored to beginners and not already professional. So you should check this out as well. It's Udemy, and they have this baking class where you can learn to bake different kinds of cakes and everything on their website, and it is completely free. They have others you have to pay for, but this baking class would really help you, especially if you're not good at baking and you want to be introduced into that properly. Okay, so number 3 is this Gluten-Free Baking Academy. Actually, it is not free. Okay, gluten-free, it is not free, guys, but they have some free tutorials on their website where you can learn, like, especially if you're into gluten-free foods. Yeah, because usually people think like gluten-free foods are synonymous with like tasteless foods, and it is not true. I've had some classes on that website and it is awesome, guys. You'll be surprised what you can make, and it is gluten-free and it tastes amazing. Okay, so check that out as well. Okay, so number 4, we'll be talking about mycakeschool.com. Yes, they are amazing. They have like a subscription that you pay for every month or every year depending on how much money you have, but at the same time they have some free classes that you can benefit from, especially for beginners. The reason why I'm saying beginners is that most of these websites have like subscriptions you should pay and everything, and they have like classes that are paid for, but most of their free classes that attracts people to the website are for beginners. Like they're not for professionals and stuff. So if you're a beginner and you're looking to be introduced into the art of cake decoration and baking and stuff, you should check out this website. Okay, so number 5 is sugarcakeschool.com. Yes, I think this website also has like a monthly or yearly subscription, but they also have like free classes you can benefit from if you are a total beginner. And then like they have like different teachers from different walks of life that will teach you like really amazing, awesome things and awesome techniques, especially if you're looking to start a cake business and everything. So make sure to check this out, you won't regret it as well. So finally, like, you should check out, there is this website. It is awesome and it is paid for actually, and it is by a very popular pastry chef. Yes, but it is like you pay a subscription per year or per month and everything, and they have amazing classes, like several classes, but at the same time they have some free classes. The reason why I included this cake flakes is because like it is a little bit on the higher side when it comes to payment and everything, but I think it is awesome because like they have so many classes, especially if you have like a little money to pay and everything. Like they have so many classes for you guys to learn from, and they have some free tutorials as well. So make sure to check out this website if you're a beginner. This might not be useful to you if you're a professional already, because you need to pay for most of the classes that are tailored to like more serious decoration and baking and stuff. So thank you guys for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, and remember to follow me on Instagram. I'm on Instagram as _cake me away, and please subscribe to this channel. Thank you.